rolling. Welcome back, everybody, to yet another episode of motovlogging every day until I die. Or, you know, something like that.
A few moments later.
I have no fucking foot brake. What the fuck? Well, good morning, Night City. And what the fuck? I heard something back there. No fucking way. You know when you hear something, you're like, nah, it was probably just something, because, you know, I'm on the freeway and I've got all this noise and bullshit and music. But no, I definitely heard something. That's fucking wild. What the fuck? Shit. Guess I'm gonna have to start going by handbrake happy now. Hey, I kinda like that. Handbrake happy. Well, it doesn't change much for me. I mean, I already didn't have fucking brake pads, so I've been using handbrake this whole time, but it's kind of nice to have it, you know, and know that it's there. Now if I panic brake, I can't do shit. I mean, poop. I can't do poop. Well, fun. Funny too, we just rebled everything, just rebled the foot brake. Well, like flushed it out. There's a bunch of nasty, like chunkies, black chunkies. I think they were the seals going out, so I gotta rebuild my pretty sure I need to rebuild my foot brake master. Squishy, squishy, like super squishy. So that's fine. Finally figure out the right way to do it though, after years and years. Oh yeah, I need to patch that too. She's just flopping. Oh no. I guess I needed to design a set of FZ07 rear sets. How terrible. Stunt rear sets coming out for FC. Come on, Lynn, come on out. We're going to make some good shit. Oh, oh. Make me more American if I'm picking up my nose when I say that. The fucking roar of the FZ07, well, I should say the CP2, but the MT or the FZ, I think it was the FZ, first thing that I didn't even know what the hell it was. Saw a video of a guy on it. I was like, you know what? That looks sick as fuck. I think I'm gonna buy one of those. And then I did.
Hello, how are you?
Good, how are you?
I'm good. Is it what I think it is?
Happy?
No, it.
What?
I felt so bad.
What?
You're not who I think you are.
So you didn't know it was me?
No, now I'm confused.
Okay.
Can you take your helmet off so I can see? Or not? No. I'm confused now.
I've never been in here before.
No, it wasn't you. Okay, you guys have the same bike. I'm not shitting you. You guys have literally identical bikes. And he came at the end of the day and I was like, sorry, I'm closed. I never do that. So I felt really bad. So I thought you were the same person.
Really?
Anyways, I know as soon as I saw you,
Oh, that's cool.
I was like, maybe it's not him. Anyways, how are you today?
I'm good, how are you?
Fucking terrible. No, I'm kidding. I'm fantastic.
Say fuck.
No, I'm great. Whoa. I'm great. I'm never here in the mornings. I always do afternoons. So
Yeah.
I'm living off of
Are you
right
Bella?
now. No, I'm Freda. I am Bella.
Freda.
I'm Freda.
Today?
No, no, just for the hour. The next hour I'll be something different. Why is this guy purple? Right.
Just say I don't.
Oh, not him. No, behind him.
Oh. Oh.
No, Mark David. Anyways, what are you drinking today?
So we did a little something. I just came here one other time. Avi helped me out. We did a dirty quickie blonde.
Dirty
Not
Quickie
white.
Blonde.
What's that?
Dirty Quickie Blonde.
Yeah. So it's a new drink. I think we should call it a hot date.
It's a new drink. So is it white chocolate, caramel, and chocolate?
It was, I think instead of white chocolate, we just did regular chocolate and caramel.
Honey, you know we have a drink like that. The salt. Well, I guess it's salted caramel. Not so basic, bitch.
Not so basic. Hell no, you're not. Sorry, my phone just started calling someone randomly.
Oh, it's okay. It is okay. So you want to do caramel and chocolate.
Caramel chocolate.
Do you want the added shot like a quickie?
Yes, that's what it is.
Okay. And then you want hot or iced?
Hot or iced?
Yeah.
Oh, hot date, not a cold date.
Okay, what size?
We'll do your medium, please and thank you.
Sorry, I just didn't want the shots to burn. They burn so fast.
I'm sorry, what? I'm still waking the fuck up. What did you just ask me?
Me too.
2 questions ago?
I didn't. Oh, it was about the size and the temperature?
No, temperature, because I said hot, not cold, but I want it iced though. Did I just say I wanted a hot?
Yeah, it's okay.
You're good. Is it too late or did I already fuck you up?
No, it's fine.
Sick.
What are you doing today?
Working. That's pretty much it.
Same.
So you said you usually work nights, not mornings?
Yeah, I never do morning time.
Is it fucking you up pretty hard?
I guess I've only done it once. I've been here for 7 months and I've never done a morning shift.
Oh wow.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't know. It's whatever. I kind of like it. It's nice having to get done at 12. Are you doing anything else fun today? Are you doing anything else fun today?
Huh?
Are you doing anything else today?
Sorry, I was just thinking about it.
Oh, no, I just thought you didn't hear me.
Grocery shopping. No, not really.
Good day? It's a good day.
Yeah, no, I mean, yeah, it's like I enjoy my days for sure. It's not like I'm not doing anything fun, but I'm just not like, I don't know, this is fun for me.
It's fun, trust.
The what's that?
I said doing nothing's fun, trust me. I believe that firmly.
Yeah, I do like, yeah, if you're like a busybody to the point where not, well, I can't not, that's the thing, I can't not do anything.
Yeah, I was gonna say, even I only get like one day off, and when I get that day off, I still end up like filling it with all the nonsense.
Thank you so much.
So welcome.
Yeah.
Good? Now that I
Delicioso.
see the beer, that makes sense. That's funny, you guys literally have the same bike. Or maybe it's just the same color, I don't know. So bright in this tank window. Do you have a punch card?
Oh fuck, yeah. Shit. Sorry, I'm new here.
Oh honey, it's okay. I'm moving just as slow. My brain is like, I'm like, you're at the right temp for me.
Perfect. So, not gonna lie. Today,
Oh goodness.
it's already in there.
Big yawn.
It's gotta be rough. Like, closed to open.
Yeah, I'm almost tired.
I hate that shit.
Almost tired, but we're living, thriving, and breathing, you know it.
Well, thanks for being here this morning, because,
Thank you for coming
Yeah.
to meet me.
of course,
And I hope you enjoy your drink.
I will
And
do
I
it
will
well.
know it for next time too. A
You'll-
hot date. But not actually hot.
Yeah, I should,
No, I think I just took
we'll
that
fix
wrong.
that.
No, I think both of us are just needing to wake up. So
That's
you
true.
get your coffee, I'll make me some. We'll be aight for next time.
Alright,
You drive safe, okay?
Alright, you
Bye,
too.
safe. Bye.
thank you, bye. Fuck, I fucked it all up. It's gonna be a cold day now. Because I like them like my exes, apparently. And cold and ruthless. Really fucked me up. And I can't learn. And I keep repeating patterns. Stupid, 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 stupid. I legit felt so bad. I thought she looked at me like, ugh. That was good. Maple Grove. That's probably where I wanted to go. I don't even know where the fuck I'm going now. Whoa, bro. Can't do that to me. Well, obviously you can't because he just did. Ha, ha, ha. Oh, I forgot to take my mitt. Fuck. I need to do like 50 jumping jacks or 25 burpees to wake up properly. I don't like being on this side of the road. I don't like being on this side of town. Busy. And I especially do not like your attitude towards yourself when you're talking negatively. Get out of here with that. You know what I'm saying? Know what I mean? Ain't nobody got time for that. Ain't nobody wanna listen to that shit either. Sacrifice and everything noise. FBI has followed us. call 911. The long line of cars. We probably could have. We could definitely make that. Somebody call 911. Oh, that's a happy little dog. That's a happy dog. Happy dog! Got about that dog! That was a very little big dog. That's about the littlest big dog I think I've ever seen. You pick your whack, guy. No, I just want to drink the coffee. Damn it, I got it all over my Good Sunday shirt. Well, I don't know, I think we might call it a short one for today, folks. As much as I want to go fit in some wheelies for breakfast, because what kind of day would it be if we don't do wheelies for breakfast? My handbrake's a little squishy, which, I mean, it's not like that really matters. Like, I haven't already been doing high tears on a squishy handbrake anyway. Learning to freaking see standard scrape with a squishy handbrake, with a 14 at that too. But no, mainly this coffee's sitting here because then I gotta chug it, and I don't know if I really want to chug it. I don't have to chug it, but I don't want to spill it on my Good Sunday pants. You know what I mean? I got enough damage control here to do already. So, I don't know. Fuck around and find out, I guess. Maybe I will. Maybe I won't. I also only have about a minute left of freaking SD card left on here anyway, so I don't want to run her like clean out. You never know what you might catch if you just let her roll. Let her roll. I should probably take my meds. Not substitute for coffee made by, I don't know, what do you call them these days? Fighting chips? I don't like that. They call them girl bitch, like